everybody, my name is Jason. I'm one of the head nerds here at Enable. I want to give you a quick look at Enzo, our embedded AI assistant for N-Central and Nsight. Enzo is designed to help technicians and IT teams get faster answers inside the product using natural language queries rather than digging through multiple views and device details and clicking through documentation manually. Enzo is designed to help bring everything together and give you context, product knowledge, and troubleshooting guidance all in one place. So let's walk through some practical examples and I'll take you through it.
Okay, so let's get started with Enzo. If we navigate from views and then assets, we're presented with Ask Enzo. So we're going to click on that. And now we have the Enzo AI assistant. What we're going to do here is I'm going to copy and paste in a prompt that I know is going to work. So let me just do that. And this says, I just got a call from Celtic Cider Company that logins are slow. Their server is called Server 2019 DC. Can you help me understand why the server may be running slow? And I'm going to execute on that. Of course, Enzo is going to do a little bit of searching and understanding. And now you can see that it's listing out all of the things that could be a potential problem with this particular server. Now, I use this particular prompt because I know IT teams typically have to go into a server, and use the monitoring and central, all the other aspects in terms of troubleshooting a particular server. Enzo is going to tell you exactly what the particular problems could be, right? So Microsoft recommends minimum 2 gigs, but 8 to 16 or more, right? So we could be dealing with some resource issues. There's only 2 cores, CPU cores for a domain controller. Serving an organization, that could be insufficient, and much, much more. So we can go through and really kind of narrow down what the particular problem is with this particular use case. And the question is, can you check any Windows 10 devices and confirm they meet the Windows 11 minimum requirements? I actually have quite a few Windows 10 devices in here that I play around with. So let's see what happens here. Okay, let's go up to the top. That was a big one. All right, so the Windows 10 to Windows 11 readiness. I found 3 Windows devices in your environment, okay, or Windows 10 devices. Let me assess the readiness for Windows 11 migration against Microsoft's minimum requirements. And as you can see, we've got the baseline for Windows 11, and then it has device assessment. All right, so it's going through and doing some comparison, some pass and some verifies. Obviously, you need stuff like UEFI Secure Boot and TPM 2.0. Now, I'm pretty sure this is a virtualized VM, so no TPM on that. But as you can see, as we go through, it builds it out one by one and tells me where maybe some warnings and obviously some problems require attention, okay? So this doesn't have 2 cores. It's quickly pinpointed that it does not meet. So as you go through one by one, you can see where we've got, a hard stop, and then we've got some things maybe to work on. Okay. And it gives me some recommendations. Migration timeline recommendation, urgent. Windows 10 reaches end of life on October 14th, 2025. Given that it's 2026, I would say we are quickly out of date. Okay, so I just really want to kind of go through those use cases really quickly. And as you can see through Enzo, you're going to be able to put together your battle card of prompts that you're going to use on a day-to-day basis. Again, my name is Jason Murphy, head nerd for Enable.